Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Shahnawaz Aziz, and in this tutorial we are going to learn about depth first search. So what is depth first search? Depth first search is an algorithm for traversing or searching tree or graph data structures. The algorithm starts at the root node and explores as far as possible along each branch before backtracking. So the basic idea is to start from the root or any arbitrary node and mark the node and move to the adjacent unmarked node and continue this loop until there is no unmarked adjacent node. The backtrack and check for others unmarked nodes and traverse them. Finally, print the nodes in the path. Now we are going to learn about DFS algorithm. So first of all, mark the current node as visited and print the node. Then traverse all the adjacent and unmarked nodes and call the recursive function with the index of the adjacent node. So now we will explain how DFS work with example. So we took a 7 vertex tree where A is the main vertex, then root A is the root, then A have another some members. So right now we are give example with this tree. Okay, so this is DFS and how it works. So here it is an stack for storing data. Okay, storing visited node. Okay, right now we are going to visit A, so we will write A here. Okay, so then we have to write A in here. Okay, done. Now we are going to visit B. Okay, so right now we are going to visit B, then we will write B here. And right now B have another two member which is C and F. We'll write C here. So DFS has their rules where when you visited new nodes, you can return to the previous node until you explore that new nodes. Okay, so we already visited new nodes which is C, and C have already two another members which is D and E. So we'll wrote here B and C whose nodes we already visited. So we have to wrote here A, B, C. Okay, so right now C have another two member, so we'll wrote D. So we'll D wrote there, but D have no new member, so we'll remove D and we'll return to the our previous node which is C, and we'll explore another member of C which is E. Then we'll wrote E here, but E have no member, that's why we'll remove E. Okay, done. So we already explore E and already C. So already though we already explored C, so we have the ability to return the previous node. So we are going to return C. C already explored, so then we can remove C from stack. Okay, so now we are going to return to the backend node which is B. So we have another node which is F. So already F have no new nodes. Okay, so new node, that's why we wrote F here. Okay, we wrote F here, and also we already visited and explored B, so we can remove B from stack. So we remove B from stack. Then we are going to visit again A, node A, which is root node A. Then A have two member B and G. Already we explored B. Now we are going to explore G. So we'll wrote G, but G have no new member, that's why we'll remove G and we'll print here G. So all the member are visited. Okay, so that was the way how DFS work. So that's all from me. Thank you for staying with us, and don't forget to give a like, comment and share this video. Thank you.